All right, I'm out at Amargosa. I'm at the big dune and I'm shooting some early morning shots. I was trying to chase the color this morning. Didn't really color, there's just too much cloud. Hopefully you can hear me, because you can, if you're not, you can hear the wind going. So I'm gonna be out here for a little bit, try to get some good photos. And if the wind calms down, maybe even fly the drone. Okay, because of the cloud cover and it being mostly cloudy, I've opted to shoot some black and white stuff. Just trying to feel out how it looks. I'm also shooting a little bit darker to really accentuate the dark versus the white. All right, what's really cool is I actually have the new iPhone 13 Pro Max on me. So I'm gonna blend in some footage that I'm shooting with that and some pictures that I'm taking on that phone, so you can actually see what that looks like as well. Well, kind of the problem about shooting out here is this is a big area for ATV and off-roading, and it looks like, I mean, we've had pretty good weather lately, so it looks like there's just tons of tracks out here in the sand, so it's very hard to pick a spot that hasn't been walked on, ridden on. You'll see in some of the photos I'll put up, like you can see some of the dirt tracks from the ATVs and four wheels that have been out here. But I'm just trying to find as clean of a spot as I can, so that way I can get as good of a shot as I can. All right, that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna head back to the truck. We probably got about a 30-minute walk or so to the truck. I just couldn't fly the drone. The wind's picked up even more. It's gotten even worse than before, which sucks. I really wanted to get some drone footage of this place, but that doesn't look like that's gonna happen today. But I got some great shots, especially some black and white shots that I took. We'll have to see when I get them on the computer and edit them, see what I got, and I'll put those up here at the end of the video for you guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me what you think of the photos below in the comments, and see you in another video.